Guys, welcome back to a new vlog. So you guys remember the vlog where I went to the market? I took you guys to the market and I bought ginger, and the ginger seller was telling me that most of her customers, when they buy ginger now, they go ahead and plant, and some of them don't even buy ginger anymore. Well, my husband currently has a project going on in his office that is more focused on urban gardening. So they are basically encouraging the inhabitants of Limbe to practice urban gardening, to farm foods at the back of their houses. And if you don't have space, you can use containers like this. So we went ahead. My husband got fever grass and ginger. So he was just explaining to me how one of the trainers taught them to do, what did he call this? I think he said self-irrigation, where there's one bottle of water under the bottle that has the soil and the plant. And then they burst a hole in the middle and put a cotton material into the water, and the cotton material absorbs the water and feeds the plant with water, so we don't have to water. So this is practically I'll call it an experiment. So I'll give you guys an update on these beauties. If they do well, I believe they will do well. Say a prayer for these plants. Fever grass, I love it in my Folere, so it will serve me. Experiment number 1. I'm excited to see it grow.
The ginger that I want, because I want to multiply it.
The ginger, right?
Yeah. Because even the ginger, see that ginger, just put it outside the ginger and people will buy it. You are quantity, a little bit more people will buy, just a little bit more than what is the fact people will come here.
I doubt that this can really produce for us what we can sell.
No, not this one, not this one.
Okay, you want to multiply.
I'm talking like he has those bags like that.
Ah, okay.
Those in bags like that. So it's a test.
It means we'll do it better way, not
yeah,
here.
It's a test that we are doing. Not even here, we can do it behind here.
Yeah, no come out of the cow. Out of my hair, I just undid it. It's easy to handle because I have really good soft natural hair. Can I have natural hair ever? One would think that I've textured my hair, but this is how my natural hair is. It's really soft. It's really, really soft. Okay. It was at this point that I realized that I had to take my medication. So when I was leaving home, I took my medications with me, knowing that I would drink it at some point. But then I didn't think to get something to eat. So I went back out of the salon. I got puff puff. I saw a lady that was frying very hot puff puff. So I just got it. I got yogurt and I got water. So I ate that and then I took my medications. It was a really relaxing salon experience. I always like when they wash my hair, especially when the person washing my hair washes it really well. I always enjoy it and I just relax through the process. So yes, I did enjoy this, and I did the usual. I did braids on my hair. Yeah, I think maybe the second half of this year I'll try to do other styles on my hair. Guys, after washing, my hair has shrunk. I can't be proud anymore. I can't be proud. Try with humble you, eh? That process is going to take time. It will take time. It's okay. So you guys, I didn't come here with intentions or knowing that I was going to get my pedicure done. But this entire salon experience was paid for by my friend. She called me on my birthday. That was on the 13th of July. And she was like, okay, what are we doing? I'm going to book a session for you in the salon. So, but I wasn't sure exactly what I had to do. I knew I was going to get my hair done. So when they were done with my hair, I got talking with her at some point and she was like, have they already done your... I'm like, was that part of it? She was like, yes. So she called the manager and then the manager was asking me if I still have time because it was already getting late. You guys know how long it takes to get braids done. So, but I was just like, okay, my husband has the whole day off, so he's home with the kids. So let me just relax. So I left that place around like 8:30 ish. Yeah. Open it now. So Daniel has had these parts. These are learning parts. They've been in the house for months now. So it's holiday and we are going to unbox both of them to see what he can use them for. And then my watch as well. I have had it for months as well. Yeah, I've just been hesitating to open it up because I've not been exercising and I want to use it to count calories when I exercise. So let's unbox. It's a very chaotic unboxing because let's open this one. This one is also a learning pad. Daniel, what were you expecting? Daniel was expecting an iPad where he can play those his temple run. This one is a learning pad, Daddy. It's a learning pad. Why is Joshua crying? Ethan! Please remove him from that car. Come in, I beg. Daniel is going to bring it so that I know you're going to be the one to experiment with this more. Oh, you need a battery, Daddy. Call Daddy to buy. I'm sure it makes some sounds. Jojo! Jojo, why are you crying? I have my watch here that I need to unbox. It's a smartwatch. So that's it. It's a smartwatch. This is Zoe's watch. Yes, your own watch is unboxed. Mine needs to be unboxed. This is it. Tanya, what are you going to do with two?
I'm going to. This is.
It's a learning pad. What number is this? What number is this? 0. 1. Ethan, I'm going to put you in charge of understanding this thing. I don't think he has much understanding to do. You're going to read the manual since you like reading. Mama, don't spoil the packet. Don't spoil the packet. You've already spoiled it. Why did you open it like this?
No, the thing was open like that already.
Leave the packet now. One of it, I'm sure he's not going to use it now. So we're going to keep it somewhere safe.
I told you that they have animals now. They have the dog, the quack, the monkey, the elephant, the cat. But wait.
Maybe, I don't know.
Baby, it's not here.
Oh, problem. Come on, hold on.
What is that?
Who has opened up my watch? I like the color.
Can you come down from the bed?
It's like pale pink. I like it. I have to charge it. When I charge it, I can start using it. Please charge it before use. Please be sure to follow the content provided in the manual. Download the corresponding app before connecting to use. What app am I supposed to download? Where's the Mama, leave him now. Leave him alone. Where? Leave him alone. He's already crying like that. You're still blocking him. Why are you blocking him so much? Calm, Daddy, calm.
Come. Everything is your own. Don't cry. Take Daddy. Don't cry. It's your own now. Everything is your own. I need to charge this. This is beautiful. Effect. Elohim, Adonai, Eshaya. Okay. Let's go ahead and charge this and see. This thing is for people who are exercising. No, yeah, I'm not exercising. Even though I have to start exercising. Exercising. How?
Elephant. Me, I like a dog. I'll play it. I'll play music.
You guys, so one of the things that I've decided to do is to bake a batch of banana bread on the same day, cut them up in the way that the kids are going to have it, and then just put it in the freezer so that some mornings breakfast is very easy and quick. So they have this with yogurt, and it makes my life much easier and much organized. So yeah, you see me baking a lot of banana breads, and I'm using a recipe that is low in oil. The recipe I used to use before had a lot of oil, and I used to pour this oil and look at it and like, even though the texture is nicer than what I'm baking now, but yeah, let's just manage it like that. Not a lot of oil. Yeah. I was supposed to let this bread cool down longer, but impatience. You know how when you're baking banana bread, the whole house, in fact, the whole neighborhood will be smelling like banana bread. So yeah, it was a little bit dense. Even the kids noticed it, but here you go. I'm making pineapple juice. This pineapple juice is meant to be used in Folere. So yeah, I'm baking Folere. I'm making what did I just say? I'm making Folere to keep in the freezer we can have, and this Folere is not going to have sugar. This is one of the drinks that I'm going to be selling. By the time you guys watch this video, maybe I'm already selling. So if you want to order for Folere, you can order. No sugar. Okay, I'm not putting sugar in the Folere. I put just pineapples, watermelon, so it's fruity Folere. Pineapples, watermelon, dates. There's going to be a whole vlog talking about that. So yeah. Anyways, just to let you guys also know, this vlog is coming to an end, and this is evening time prayer session. You guys know. The vlog is coming to an end. If you would like to start a YouTube channel, I have created a course targeting Cameroonian women who want to start YouTube channels, and that course will help guide you, give you confidence, and just give you all the directives you need. So contact me on 672-992-818 if you're interested in that course. This is a quick advert. Bye. See you on the next vlog. Ciao.
Il est bon pour moi. My God is good. My God is good. My God is good. My God.